In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Claude Code with Docker Desktop on Windows. By following these steps, you will successfully set up your environment and run a Claude script within a Docker container. Begin by installing the necessary prerequisites. First, ensure that Docker Desktop for Windows is installed. You can download it from the Docker website. Once installed, check if the WSL2 backend is enabled, as this will improve performance. After that, open your command line interface and execute the command Docker version to verify the Docker installation. Additionally, run Docker info to ensure that Docker is functioning correctly. Next, you need to install node.js, specifically the long-term support version, as it is required for running the Claude CLI inside containers. To confirm that node.js is installed properly, type node-v in your command line. This command will display the installed version of node.js. If you see a version number, you are ready to proceed to the next step. Now, create a project folder for your Claude integration. In your command line, type mkdsc Claude Docker to create the directory. Then navigate into this folder by entering cdc Claude Docker. This will be the workspace for your project. To initialize a new node.js project, run npm init-y. This command generates a package.json file with default settings. Afterwards, install the Claude Code package by executing npm install at anthropa/Claude Code. This will ensure that all necessary modules are available inside your Docker environment. After setting up your project, it's time to write a simple Claude script. Create a new file named quotescript.js, quotes in the project folder. In this file, include the following code: const Claude equals require, anthropic a Claude code, async function run tonch const response equals await Claude run, summarize project, readme file, console.log response run. You should modify the prompt to fit your specific use case. To test the script locally, run the command node script.js quote in your command line. This will execute the script and you should see the output displayed in the console. The next step involves creating a Docker file for your project. In the project directory, create a file named Dockerfile file and add the following lines: from node 20 alpine work dir /usrct osp key package jsn _API_API_key =sign your _API_ here and cmd nodo script.js. This Docker file sets up the environment to run your Claude script. The use of the Alpine image keeps the final Docker image size small, around 50 megabytes, which is beneficial for faster deployment. To build the Docker image, run the command docker build -2 Claude app. In your command line, this process creates an image with node.js Claude and your project files. Monitor the output for any errors related to npm install, as these can indicate issues with package installations. Once the build is complete, you will see a success message confirming that your image has been created. Next, you will run the Docker container. Execute the command docker run -ram Claude app. This command will start the container, and the output from your Claude script should appear in the console. The container is removed after execution, keeping your environment clean. For better security, consider passing the API key securely instead of hard coding it in a Docker file. You can achieve this by running docker run -rm-e Claude A_API_key a Claude _key Claude. This method prevents your API key from being exposed in your Docker file, adhering to professional best practices. If your Claude script requires access to local project files, you can mount them into the container. Use the command docker run -r-vc projects my app ucld _API_key your _API_API. This command maps your local directory to the containers directory, allowing the script to read files for processing. The path /usrsr sapp/data will be accessible within the container. To automate your setup, consider using Docker Compose. Create a quote docker-compose.yml quote file with the following content: version 3.9 services, Claude build environment, cljo _API_key $cljo API_key and volumes /data /srt/app/data. You can start your application with Docker Compose up, which simplifies running multi-container setups and integrates other services as needed. Finally, to test logs and debug your application inside Docker, use the command docker logs. This command retrieves log information for the specified container. You can also enhance your debugging by combining this with the debug option in your Claude script. Const response =await Claude run. Summarize read name, debug, true. This will help identify any issues during execution. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.